place where you can build completely your dreams. Well, here I introduce to you Dreamscapes. Here you can use virtual reality, so you can do whatever you want. You can play video games, you can study, you can read. This is a place where you can do anything you want with virtual reality. This is a company that uses the conscious capitalism, and basically it prioritizes all the people, the environment, and it has a very high purpose and prefers that than the profit or the money. And basically that's all it's all about. You can come here with your friends, alone, with your family. You can play video games, you can read, you can study, and the principal characteristic of this is you forgot about the real world and you can imagine all of the things you want. You can build and you can be in another universe, you can be on your own universe, you can do completely whatever you want, and that's why this is called Dream Spaces. Then that's all. Come here, visit us, and build your dreams.